Let's play a game with you guys today. I will play two pieces of music and you have to guess which one is real and which one is AI generated. Let's listen to the music.
I wake up to a digital sunrise, neon lights where my future lies, whispers in the wires, a symphony, the code of dreams, it's calling me. Oh, 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 rewrite my story line by line. Oh, oh, oh.
The wooden floor creaks beneath our feet, a table set where the old souls meet, candles flicker casting stories in light, echoes of laughter fill the night, grandpa squeal draped over the
Which one do you think is AI generated? If you think the second one was AI generated, congratulations, you're right. But if you think the first one was AI generated, congratulations again, because you're right. Both pieces of music were generated by AI. AI can now create high-quality music in just 1 minute with simple prompts, so you don't have to worry about music copyright anymore. You can create royalty-free music perfectly tailored to your video. Today, I'm going to talk about one of my favorite AI music tools called TemPolor. I love this tool because it has every feature I need to create the exact music I want. I can simply write some keywords to find the music, upload my video footage to get suitable music, or even find music by uploading an image or an audio file. The best part? All the music I generate with this tool will be royalty-free, so I can use it on any social media platform without worrying about copyright issues. Let me show you everything in detail. The first thing I want to show you is how easy it is to search through their massive library of over 200,000 royalty-free music tracks. If you're new to creating content on YouTube or other social media platforms, it's absolutely crucial to use royalty-free music. Because using music you don't have the rights to, music that isn't royalty-free, can lead to serious issues. For example, you could receive a copyright strike, your video might get taken down, or you could lose monetization on YouTube. That's why I always stick to platforms that exclusively offer royalty-free tracks. Let me show you how it works. First, I'll demonstrate some basic search options, and then I'll show you how to generate your own music using a text prompt. I'm going to search for music for commercials right here, and click the search icon. This tool uses its AI-powered search feature to find a variety of tracks that match my query. If I want to narrow down the results further, I can use the filters at the top. However, most of the time, I just play a few of the suggested tracks to see which one fits my project best. Let me give you a quick preview. It's very good music for commercials. Let's listen to the next one. It's also very good music to use in ads and commercials. To download the music, simply click on this icon, select your desired format, and the download will begin instantly. It's that easy. If you want more variations of a specific track, just click on the similar icon. This AI tool will generate a collection of tracks that closely match the style and mood of your selected music, giving you plenty of options to choose from. Let's play it. Now let me show you my favorite part of this tool. Just go here and click on Resona, and you'll be taken to this page. I love using this feature for AI-generated videos. Here's how it works. You simply upload your AI-generated video, and the tool will analyze every detail of it to suggest the best possible music for your scene. To upload your video, click here and drag and drop your file. As you can see, this is an AI-generated video where I recreated a scene from the Titanic movie. The quality is really impressive. If we click here, this AI tool will automatically analyze the video and suggest music based on its content. Take a look at the analysis. Two individuals are floating on a wooden plank under the moonlight amidst a cold, vast ocean, radiating themes of survival and deep emotional connection. If you scroll down, you'll notice the tool is already creating 2 new music tracks specifically for this video and also suggesting some royalty-free tracks. Let's listen to a few of them. This music is absolutely perfect for the scene. I'm genuinely happy with the result. This one works really well too and could easily fit the mood of the scene. If you want more tracks for your video, just click here to explore more variations. Now here's the best part. When you click on download, the video will be downloaded with the selected music already applied. No need to waste time editing it in separate software. It's such a great time-saving feature. And if you click here, you'll find all the new music that this AI tool created for you. Let's check out some of these tracks. Wow, this one really complements the scene perfectly. At the beginning of this video, you heard a track named Code of Dread. I actually generated 2 versions of this music using this tool. Let's play it again for you.
I wake up to a digital sunrise, neon lights where my future. I wake up to a digital sunrise.
If I click here, you can see the full lyrics. I wake up to a digital sunrise. Neon lights where my future lies. I generated these lyrics using ChatGPT. But here's the cool part. You don't need ChatGPT for this. This AI tool can generate lyrics for you as well. Let me show you how to create similar music with vocals. Go to Create. Select Custom Mode. This will take you to a page where you can customize your music. If you want vocals, simply turn on this feature. I'll keep it on for this demo. In the box provided, you can either type in your lyrics or generate new ones directly using this tool. Just click on this icon, and the AI will write brand new lyrics for you. Here's the result. Next, you'll need to select the style of music. If you don't have a specific idea, you can skip this step. You can also set a custom title for your music in this box if you'd like. Once everything is set, just click here, and the tool will start creating your music. As you can see, this AI tool is generating 2 new tracks for us. It'll take a little time. If you enjoy learning about AI and new tools, make sure to subscribe to this channel for updates. All right, let's listen to the music.
Sunday mornings with pancakes stacked high, laughter echoed in the open sky. Sunday mornings with pancakes stacked high.
It's amazing. Just 2 years ago, could you have imagined that AI could create such high-quality music in just 1 minute? It's truly mind-blowing. If you want to create music even faster, you can use the Quick Start option. Here's how. Simply type in a short description of the music you want. For example, I'll type music for tutorial videos. Click on Create. As you can see, the tool has started generating 2 tracks for us. Let's check out the results. Both tracks are perfect for tutorial videos. Now, let me show you a few more ways to create music quickly. If you click here, you'll find an option to upload an image or video, and the AI will generate music based on it. I'm uploading this image, which I generated using Midjourney. You can find the prompt for this image on my Discord server. Once the image is uploaded, click on Generate Music. Here's the result. Let's play it. It's incredible how well the music matches the vibe of the image. Finally, you can also find or create music using the audio feature. Simply upload a sample audio file, and the tool will either find similar music or create an exact match for you. Let me show you an example. I'll use this sample audio file. Let's play it. It's amazing how similar it sounds to the original sample. If you click on Music, you'll find their AI search feature. Here, all you need to do is type in a keyword or description of the type of music you're looking for, and this AI tool will find it for you. For example, I'm typing lo-fi and hitting enter. As you can see, the AI has quickly found some great lo-fi tracks for me. Let's listen to a few of them. I hope after watching this video, you won't have to waste days searching for the perfect royalty-free music for your projects. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.
A table set where the old souls meet. Candles flicker, casting stories in light. Echoes of laughter fill the night. Grandpa's quilt draped over the chair. Her hand stitched love into every tear. The clock chimes softly, a familiar song, marking the moments that carry us along. These walls hold whispers of days gone by, traditions we keep as the years fly. From heart to heart, they'll always stay, guiding us home in their quiet way. The recipe's worn in the